estimation. Take out your notebook. Check the solutions of the previous assignment. First main, round off to the nearest tens place. Question number A, it was 42. So you have to estimate to the nearest tens place. I hope you have underlined the tens place. So the estimated value will be 40. Question number B, 233. So this 3 has been underlined and the estimated value is 230. Question number C, 509. Tens place is 0. So after estimation it will be 510. Second main, estimate to the nearest hundreds place. Question number A, 729. 7 is in hundreds place. I think you have underlined also. So the estimated value is 700. 6688. 6 is in 100 place. So after estimation the value will be 6700. Question number C, 1517. 5 is in 100 place. After estimation the value will be 1500. Third main, round off to its highest place. Question number A, 3265. Highest place means 3 is in 1000 place. So it will be the number which is sitting in the highest place. So after estimation it will be 3000. How? Because the next place, the 100 place is 2, so it is less than 5. So 3 will be as it is, rest of the places will be filled with 0. So 3265 is estimated to the nearest 1000 place. Here is 3000. Question number B, 48,165. Here the highest place is 10,000 place and it is 4 here. So you have to check to the 1000 place. It is 8. 8 is more than 5, so you have to add 1 to 4. So 4 plus 1 it will become 5, rest of the places will be 0. So it will become 50,000. So 48,165 is estimated to the nearest 10,000 place as 50,000. Next, question number C, 13,349. Here also the highest place as 10,000. So 1 is sitting in the 10,000 place. Now 3 is sitting in the 1000 place. So 3 is less than 5. So there will be no change. 3, 3, 4, 9. All these 4 places will be filled with 0. 1 will be as it is. So the estimated value is 10,000. Today we will start our lesson estimating to the nearest 1 lakh. In our previous class, we have done estimation till 10,000. So let's take an example and start doing estimation to the nearest 1 lakh. Here, the number we have taken as 6,40,213. As we have to estimate to the nearest 1 lakh, so I have underlined 6. You also start working with me. Write down the number and then underline 6. After that, what you have to do? You have to check the previous place. So that is 10,000 place. How much it is here? It is 4. So 4 is lesser than 5. If it is lesser than 5, so there will be no change of this 1 lakh's place. Means 6 will be 6. Rest of the places means 10,000, then 1,000, 100, tens and units place will be filled with zeros. I am repeating one more time. Follow me. What I told? You will have to check to the 10,000 place. If it is less than 5, then 1 lakh place will be unchanged. And this 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and units place will be filled with zeros. So, can you find out what will be the estimated value here? the estimated value will be, how much it is? 6 lakh, because 40213 has been replaced by zeros and there will be no change for 6. I hope you have done with me. Let's take one more example. Here the number is 38,99,463. We have to estimate to the nearest 1 lakh. So you need tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is 1 lakh. So 8 is in the place of 1 lakh. So we have underlined. You also please do the sum and underline this number. After underlining, you please check the previous place. That means that is 10,000. So 9 is sitting in the place of 10,000. So 9 is more than 5. So the rule says if it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, what will happen? You have to add 1 with 1 lakh. I mean the place, who is sitting in the place of 1 lakh, you have to add 1. So 1 will be added up with 8. So 1 will be added up with 8. So you please try the sum by yourself. So I am repeating one more time. Here the number is 38,99,463. As 8 is sitting in the place of 1 lakh, you have to check to the previous one, means 10,000. In the place of 10,000 it is 9. So 9 is more than 5. So you have to add 1 to this 8. And you have to replace 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and units or ones with 0. So can you tell me what is the estimated value here? So I hope you have done the sum by yourself. It is very easy. You have done so many sums like this. So here 1 has been added up with this 8, it became 9. 3 is as it is, there will be no change of this 3. And here 9, 9, 4, 6, 3 will be replaced by 0. So the estimated value is 39 lakh. We have discussed two sums, how to estimate to the nearest 1 lakh. So we have used rule there. So let's have a quick review of those two rules. So the rule says if the digit at 10,000 place is 1, 2, 3 or 4, replace digits of 10,000, thousands, hundreds, tens and units place by 0. Next point, next rule, if the digit at 10,000 place is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, replace digits of 10,000, thousand, hundreds, tens, units place by 0 and add 1 to the digit of lakh. So please note down these two rules what we have used in these two previous sum. In our previous sums, we have estimated any number to any place. Now we will estimate to find out the sum. So we will estimate any number to the highest place and then we will find out the sum. Let's take an example. Here the sum is 730 plus 998. Look at these two numbers. The first number 730 is a 3-digit number. Here 998 also a 3-digit number. So what we have to do? We have to estimate, means we have to round off this number to the highest place. And same way 998 is also needed to round up to the highest place. After rounding off, we can find out the sum and that will be the estimated sum. Am I clear? Now look at this 730. As it is a 3-digit number, so highest place is 100 place. 998, as it is a 3-digit number, so 9 is in the 100 place. So we will round off both the number to the nearest 100 place. So start working with me. First thing you will do, underline the highest place. Here it is 7, here it is 9. Have you done? Now check the tens place for 730. It is 3 here. 3 is less than 5. So what the rule says? If it is less than 5, then tens and units place will be replaced by 0 and this 100 place will be unchanged. Can you remember? Now come to this 998. Here in the tens place it is 9. So it is more than 5. So if it is 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, what the rule says? 1 will be added up with 9. 1 will be added up with 100 place. And tens and units place will be replaced by zeros. So let's start working out with me. So write 730 estimated to the nearest 100 as 700. As I explained right now, 7 will be unchanged, 3 and 0 will be replaced by 2 zeros. Have you written? The same way you will write for 998 is estimated to the nearest 100 because both the number are 3-digit number. So highest place is 100 only. So 998 estimated to the nearest 100 place as 9 plus 1, 10, and this 9 and 8 will be replaced by 0. So it will become 1000. Now you have to find out the addition. Addition of what? Addition of these two estimated values means 700 and 1000. So you write, hence the estimated sum equals to 700 plus 1000 will give you 1700. Now here you will use your working column for this addition. For working column you will write these two numbers, arrange them properly and you will find out this addition. I have worked here on the right side. So you will do this table in your working column so that your sum, your addition will be correct. So I hope you understood this sum. So let's take one more example. It will be much more clear to you. Now look at this example. It is 67,430 plus 24,117 plus 19,490. We have to estimate to the highest place each number and then we have to find out the estimated sum. So we have to check the highest place first. It is 67,430. So units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So 10,000 is the highest place. Here 24,117 units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So highest place is 10,000. Here 19,490 units, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So here also the highest place is 10,000. The first work you have to do is to identify the highest place. Start working with me. So we will underline the highest place first. Start underlining. So it is 6 here, it is 2 here and it is 1 here. Now it is 67,430. You have underlined 6 as the highest place. So go for the previous place, that is 1000. How much it is here? 7. So 7 is more than 5. So what the rule says? you have to add 1 to the 10,000 place, and rest of the places means 1000, then 100, then tens and units will be replaced by 0. So 67,430 will be rounded off to the nearest 10,000 place as how much it will be? 70,000. So same way we will work out for these two also. So let's start the solution. Start writing. 67,430 estimated to the nearest 10,000 as 70,000. How the 70 came? I already explained. Because it is 7 here, this 7 is more than 5, so 1 will be added up with 6. So 6 plus 1, it became 7, and rest of the places will be replaced with zeros. Now come to 24,117. So the highest place is 2. Go for the previous place, and who is sitting there? 4. As 4 is less than 5, so what will happen? This place, the highest place, will be unchanged, and rest of the place means 1000, 100, then tens and units will be replaced by 0. So 24,117 is estimated to the nearest 10,000 as 20,000. Because 2 is unchanged, 4117 has been replaced with 0. Now 19,490, 1 is in highest place, so 9 is more than 5, so 1 will be added up with this 10,000 place, and rest of the places will be filled with 0. So here you can see 19,490 has been estimated to the nearest 10,000 place as 20,000. So all the three numbers here has been estimated to the nearest highest place, and that is 10,000. So the first one has been estimated as 70,000, second number has been estimated as 20,000, and the last number has been estimated as 20,000. Now what you have to do? You have to add these three numbers so that you can get the estimated. So hence the estimated sum is 70,000 plus 20,000 plus 20,000. So you have to work out this addition in your working column. So you work out and check whether the sum is 1,10,000. You will work out the addition of the previous sum in your working column like this, so that your addition part should be correct. Now we'll estimate the difference. So let's take an example. Here it is 796 minus 314. So we have to estimate 796 to the highest place. Again we have to estimate 314 to the highest place. Then we will subtract and find out the estimated difference. Like the previous sum, first we will find out the highest place. 796. So 100 place is the highest place. 314. Here also 100 is the highest place. So we will estimate to the nearest 100 place both the number, and then we will find out the difference. So start working out with me. So we will underline the highest place. Work with me. Have you done? For 796, 7 is sitting in the 100 place, so it is the highest place. For 314, 3 is sitting in the 100 place, so it is the highest place. Let's start the solution. Now write 796 estimated to the nearest 100 place. How much it will be? Because in the tens place it is 9 here. So 9 is more than 5, so 1 will be added up with 7. So 7 will become 8. 9 and 6 will be replaced by 0. So 796 will be estimated to the nearest 100 place as 800. So write it off. 796 estimated to the nearest 100 place as 800. Now calculate for 314. Here in the tens place, who is there? 1. It is less than 5. So what will happen? 3 will be unchanged. 1 and 4 will be replaced by 0. So write 314 estimated to the nearest 100 place as 300. Is it clear to you? Hence the difference, how we will do? 800 minus 300. So hence the estimated difference equals to 800 minus 300. It gives you 500. So you will work out in your working column. Use your working column like this. You write 800 minus 300 gives you 500. I hope you have done correct. Let us consider one more example. It is 1,08,734 minus 47,599. We have to find out the estimated difference. So first thing you have to do is to find out the highest place. For 1,08,734, the highest place is, just count, units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. So the highest place is 1 lakh here. And for 47,599, for this one, units, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. So highest place is 10,000. So let's start working out. So underline the highest place with me. Have you done? Now you will write 1,08,734 estimated to the nearest lakh. How to do this one? So highest place is in lakh. So go to the previous, means it is 10,000. As it is 0, 0 is less than 5. So what do we have to do? Can you remember? 1 will be unchanged and rest of the places means 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and units will be replaced by 0. And for 47,599, as in 10,000 place it is 4, go to the previous place and it is 7. 7 is more than 5. So 1 will be added up with 4. So 4 will become 5. And this 7, 5, 9 and 9 will become, 0 will be replaced all these 4 places. So start writing. 1,08,734 estimated to the nearest lakh as 1 lakh. 1 as it is, rest of the places has been replaced with 0. Now 47,599 estimated to the nearest 10,000 place. As how much it is? Because 4 became 5 as it is 7 and 7,599 has taken 0 only. So these 4 places has been replaced with 0. So now what we have to do? We have to subtract what? This 50,000 from 1 lakh. So hence the estimated difference we have to find out. So 1 lakh minus 50,000. So now use your working column and do the subtraction and finally you will write down the answer. So here I have done the subtraction. Have you done yours? I hope you have done, and check the answer here. It is clear for you? Now we will estimate the product. So let's consider one example. It is 9,250 multiplied by 29. So what we have to do here? both the multiplicand and multiplier we will estimate to the highest place, and then we will find out the product, and that will be the estimated product. So 9250, it is a 4-digit number. If you check the highest place, it is 1000. If we look at 29, it is a 2-digit number and the highest place is tens place. So 9250 should be estimated to the nearest 1000 place, whereas 29 should be estimated to the nearest tens place. So let's start working out. You will also start in your notebook. First, what we have to do? We will underline the highest place. So here it is 9, underline, and here it is 2, underline with me. So for solution, what we have to do right now? We will write 9250 estimated to the nearest 1000 place. So write with me, 9250 estimated to the nearest thousands. How much it is? 9000. How it became? Because we have to check highest place 1000 and the previous place is 100. 100 is in the 100 place, it is 2. 2 is less than 5. So what will happen? We have to place zeros here in 100, tens and units, and 9 will be unchanged. So 9 along with 3 zeros will give you 9000. If we look at 29, so we have to work out it is to the highest tens place. So after 2 it is units place and 9 is more than 5. So what will happen? 1 will be added up with 2. So 2 will become 3 and 9 will be replaced by a 0. So now write 29 estimated to the nearest tens as 3030. I think you are clear. Now you will find out the estimated product. So hence the estimated product is 9000 into 30. Yes, 9000 into 30. Now to do this product, it is very easy. Just 9 into 3, how much it is? 27. Now count total how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 27 along with 4 zeros. You need not work out in the working column for this kind of product. Only you multiply 9 and 3 and then count how many zeros are there and write all together. So it is very easy. We will take one more example. Look at this example. It is 5281 multiplied by 3591. Quite a big number, is it? So here what we will do? We will estimate both multiplicand and multiplier to the highest place, and then we will find out the product. That will be the estimated product. Now you check the highest place. So for 5281, units, tens, 100, 1000. 1000 is the highest place. So 5281 will be estimated to the nearest 1000 place. Here 3591, units, tens, 100, 1000. So for 3591 also we will estimate to the nearest 1000 place. Now you will underline the highest place first. Work out. Work with me. Start the solution. So what we will write here? 5281 estimated to the nearest 1000 place. How much it will be? Go to the previous place, means hundreds place. It is 2 here. 2 is less than 5. So here 1000 place will be unchanged. 281 will be replaced by 0. For 3591, you check 1000 place it is 3, but 100 place it is 5. 5 is more than 4. So more than 4 means What we have to do? We have to add 1 here. So 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 9, 1 will be replaced with 0. So let's start working. So 5281 estimated to the nearest thousand as 5000. I hope you are clear. So 3591 estimated to the nearest thousand as 4000. I explained right now. 3 will become 4 because in 100 place it is 5. So 5 is nothing but 4000. Now we have to find out the product of 5000 and 4000. So that would be the estimated product. So hence the estimated product equals to 5000 into 4000. It is also very easy multiplication. So 5 into 4 gives you 20 along with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 20 along with 6 zeros. I am repeating one more time. 5 into 4 gives you 20 along with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 20 along with 6 zeros or 2 along with 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 2. So this kind of product are very easy. You already learned it in the previous class. So please follow that. Now we will estimate the quotient. Look at this example. It is 8459 divided by 39. So what we have to do here? We will estimate the dividend and the divisor both in the highest place. Then we will do the division and find out the quotient. And that quotient will be the estimated quotient. So check both the numbers. What is the highest place for them? 8459. So units, tens, hundred, thousand. So highest place is 1000. For 39 units and tens. So highest place is tens. 8459 you have to estimate to the nearest thousand place, whereas 39 you have to estimate to the nearest tens place. So to do this we have to underline the highest place first. So start working with me. Underline 8 here and here it is 3. Start the solution. What you will write? 8459 estimated to the nearest thousand place. How much it will be? As 1000 place it is 8, you have to check to the 100 place. It is 4 here. 4 is less than 5. So what will happen? 100, tens and units will be replaced by 0. 4 will be unchanged. Yes? So start writing. So 8459 estimated to the nearest thousands as 8000. Now look at 39. So 39 here in units place we can see 9. As it is more than 5, so 1 will be added up with 3 and 9 will be replaced with a 0. So start writing. So 39 estimated to the nearest tens place as 40. I hope you are very much clear. Now we will do the division, means 8000 divided by 40. So hence the estimated quotient equals to 8000 divided by 40. Can you do this division by yourself? It is very easy. So 8000 you write in the working column 8000 divided by 40. So do this division in your working column 8000 divided by 40. It is very easy and check the final answer. It is 200. I hope all of you are very much clear with the sum. Look at the assignment. First main, estimate to the highest place and find the sum. There are two sums. You will estimate to the highest place, then you will find out the estimated sum. Main 2, estimate to the highest place and find the difference. Here also two sums are there. I know you can do. Third main, estimate to the highest place and do as directed. Question number 1 and 2, there are two multiplications, and question number 3 is a division. So try to work out all the sums. I will discuss in my next class. Thank you.